Today we'll break down Adolfo Salsa pattern. We'll break down the steps so you can practice at home alone, no partner needed. Adolfo starts with the crossbody lead offline, clearing the line, and ending offline as a preparation for the crossbody lead 360. On the line, twist, open, clearing the line like the regular crossbody lead, and then anchoring to the back for the swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back on the line, and reverse CBL offline. Stepping to the front, crossing to the back, and staying offline. Watch it again and notice that at the end of the swap 360, he's still facing the audience while connecting to the reverse CBL offline. Now showing her the way, going offline and starting the offline CBL, a CBL that starts offline, ending with anchor to the back, and then the swap 360 again, starting on 6, since they are dancing on 2, and ending with a hook turn. Notice that he uses the heel toe technique we learned in day 28. And you can practice all these steps on 1 or on 2 in the free 30-day course. Still here? Scroll down to day 31 for the ultimate practice. See you there.